Arshdeep Singh, an Indian cricketer, represents the Punjab franchise in the Indian Premier League (IPL). Will he be the replacement for Harbhajan Singh? Can Arshdeep be like Harbhajan? Born on February 5, 1999, he is currently 24 years old as of 2023. Hailing from Guna, Madhya Pradesh, Arshdeep Singh is an all-rounder who bats left-handed and bowls fast seam. He made his IPL debut in 2019. In his IPL career, Arshdeep Singh has participated in 51 matches so far. He has contributed 25 runs with an average of 6.25, with his highest score being 10 star. During the IPL Auction 2023, the Punjab franchise secured Arshdeep Singh's services for a price of 4 rupees crore. In his last IPL match in May 2023 against Rajasthan at the Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium in Dharamsala, India, Arshdeep Singh was unable to score any runs from the balls he faced. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.